Hi everyone! In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how you can log into Picsart using the Picsart mobile application. Logging into Picsart is straightforward. First of all, open up your Picsart application on your device. Once you open it up, look for the sign in button at the very bottom of the screen where you can see the already have an account sign in level. Tap on sign in and on the next page, it'll ask you for your credentials. Now when it comes to logging into your account, you can use the social accounts at the top where you can see the Apple, Google, Facebook and Snapchat logo. Choose any one of them so that you can log in easier using those accounts' credentials. If you want to sign in with your email or username, go to the email or username tab and type in your email or username that is associated with your Picsart account. Make sure to type in your credential correct. After you are done, go to the next field where it says password and type in a correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on Trouble Signing In link and follow through the instructions. Once you have your correct password and email, click on Sign In and then you should be able to log into your Picsart account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.